Welcome to the Compost channel, where we dive into all the best secrets for successful organic gardening. Instead of dropping money on toxic, expensive chemical fertilizers, your kitchen scraps are actually a priceless resource. Today we're going to look at two incredibly fast and effective methods for backyard composting. The first method is layer composting combined with compost tea to really speed up the breakdown process. First up, you'll need to gather your chopped kitchen scraps, which are packed with nitrogen. This natural nitrogen is super important for feeding the microorganisms and helping them thrive. Next, go ahead and collect plenty of dry leaves or straw to provide the essential carbon needed. The perfect match of nitrogen and carbon creates an ideal environment for lightning-fast decomposition. Now let's start layering these materials, alternating them evenly. A layer of fresh green kitchen waste mixed with a layer of dry leaves keeps the compost pile nice and airy. Don't forget to sprinkle in a little finished compost or garden soil to introduce beneficial microbes right away. The garden soil acts as a great starter to wake up the whole microbial community. To get the absolute best results from this method, we need to prep a secret weapon: compost tea. Compost tea is basically a mix of compost steeped in clean water for a full 24 hours. This soaking process releases countless beneficial microbes right into the liquid solution. When you water your pile evenly with this compost tea, it soaks deep into every single little corner. The powerful boost from these liquid microbes is what really speeds up the decomposition. You won't have to wait forever like you do with traditional composting, and you'll still get beautiful, crumbly compost. The heat generated deep inside the pile will kill off pathogens and pesky weed seeds. In no time, your kitchen waste will transform into a rich gold mine of nutrients. That unpleasant smell will completely disappear, replaced by the fresh, earthy scent of a forest floor. Your garden plants will definitely thank you for this rich, natural boost of nutrients. This layering method is absolutely perfect if you have plenty of backyard space. You can fully recycle any organic yard waste around the house to create clean fertilizer. The most important part is keeping the pile consistently damp, so make sure it doesn't dry out. Giving it a good turn once a week will supply the extra oxygen the microbes need. Once the pile shrinks significantly and turns a rich dark brown, your compost is ready to go. You can apply this compost directly around the base of your plants or mix it into your garden beds. Your soil will gradually become looser and fluffier, improving its ability to hold water and nutrients. Your flowers will bloom brighter and your veggie beds will look greener, giving you safe, healthy meals. With just a few things you'd normally throw away, you're doing your part to protect our environment for the long haul. That's the true magic of nature when we listen and work right alongside it. Every successful batch of compost is a small step closer to a cleaner, greener lifestyle. Be patient and enjoy every moment of connecting with nature right in your own backyard. Now, let's move on to our second composting method, which is incredibly unique and highly effective. It's a clever composting system built right inside a clay pot buried deep in your garden soil. Think of it as a smart, direct plant feeding system that saves you a ton of time. First, you'll want to find an unglazed clay pot to ensure it's porous and absorbs water well. Then, use a tool to drill some small holes around the body of the pot so the nutrients can seep out. The next step is to dig a hole right in the middle of your plant beds or veggie patches. Place the clay pot into the hole, keeping the rim just a few inches above the ground. Fill in the dirt tightly around it to make sure the pot stays steady and doesn't tip over. Now, whenever you have kitchen scraps like fruit peels, you just toss them right into the pot. Make sure to cover the scraps with a thin layer of dry leaves or garden soil to keep the bugs away. Finally, cover the top with a snug lid to keep heavy rains from flooding the system. The magic will happen quietly underground, completely out of sight. Microbes and earthworms will automatically find their way into the pot through those small holes to eat the scraps. The kitchen waste will gradually break down and turn into rich liquid nutrients. These awesome nutrients will slowly leak through the holes and soak deep into the surrounding soil. Plant roots will naturally stretch out toward the pot to soak up this nutritious food source. You won't have to break your back shoveling compost or moving it from place to place anymore. Your plants will get a steady, continuous supply of nutrients, helping them grow strong and fight off pests. The clay walls help maintain perfect moisture levels, creating a cool environment for earthworms to multiply. This method is absolutely ideal for busy people who don't have hours to spend on garden chores. It's also perfect for tight spaces like small rooftop veggie beds or balconies. With just a few simple clay pots, you've set up an automatic power station for your garden. Both of these composting methods bring massive benefits to your plants. They significantly cut down on the amount of trash heading to landfills, keeping our air clean. Plus, you get free, clean fertilizer to completely replace toxic chemicals. Your garden soil will become richer over time, creating a solid foundation for your plants to thrive. Depending on your space and your actual needs, you can pick whichever method works best for you. Or you can combine both approaches to make the absolute most of your valuable waste resources. Start your organic gardening journey today with these simple but meaningful steps. Nature is always ready to reward those who care for and nurture every little bit of life. If you found this info helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any cool gardening tips in the future. Thanks for hanging out with the Compost channel. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.